Hey, let me talk to you like someone who has lived with the Yamaha YHT-5960U home theater system night after night, because the first time you power it up, there's this real moment where everything shifts. It is no longer just a TV sound with speakers. It becomes the centerpiece of your space, the thing that makes movies feel alive, games feel bigger, and music finally feel true instead of flat and distant. If you read the kind of person who feels quality the moment you hear it, someone who wants your living room to actually perform instead of just display sound, someone who doesn't settle for muddled dialogue or boxed-in effects, then this system fits that instinct right away. And before any pricing or availability changes, go ahead and check the current listing systems this capable don't hang around. You probably knew it was time to upgrade when your old setup started feeling like a compromised dialogue buried under background noise, action scenes that lacked punch, or music that sounded thin and lifeless. The day you switch to the YHT-5960U, all that frustration melts. There's this relief you feel instantly because your audio finally catches up with your expectations. You hit play and suddenly you inside the sound, not just hearing it. Once you feel this level of performance, you start noticing layers you never picked up before. Explosions and effects don't just come from the front, they move around you. Ambient sound feels detailed, atmospheric, and intentional. And music hits with clarity and depth that makes you tune in instead of tuning out. Don't wait for some vague sale or stock dip. This is the kind of upgrade people put off forever and then regret when they finally make the jump. If you wondering whether the MusicCast and 8K HDMI actually matter in real life, here's what everyday use feels like. Streaming high-res audio becomes effortless, swapping sources stays simple, and your whole entertainment ecosystem starts to feel connected instead of fragmented. The surprise benefit: even casual TV becomes more enjoyable, because the system doesn't just play sound, it reveals it. Owning something like this changes how you experience your space. It feels more intentional, more engaging, more cinematic. You sit down and you listen, not just hear. You feel like someone who knows what real sound feels like. The dialogue comes through crisp and clear. The surround channels rap gently and richly. The low end has weight without overwhelming. Everyday content suddenly sounds more dimensional. Setup stays surprisingly tidy for how expansive the experience feels. The only soft downside is that once you've lived with this level of immersion, anything weaker feels painfully thin and your expectations for every future gear upgrade go up. Eventually, you stop circling comparison charts and choose the system that already feels right for the way you watch and listen. If the YHT-5960U matches that instinct, check the live price now and make the upgrade before the moment slips away.